Hey students, how are you? This is Indu Sharma, Faculty of TGT Science from Suraj Group of Institutions, Rewari. And today we are going to start a new chapter which is acids, bases and salts. Right? So, we use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, and vinegar. As you can see, these things in your daily life, lemon, tamarind means imli, salt, sugar, and vinegar, जिसको आप सिरका भी बोलते हैं. Do they have the same taste? क्या टेस्ट सेम है इन सभी का? Let's recall taste of some edible substances listed in table 5.1. चलिए कुछ substances के taste check करते हैं. If you have not tasted any of these substances, अगर आपने टेस्ट नहीं किया इनमें से कोई substance, एंटर द रिजल्ट इन टेबल 5.1. और एक क्वेश्चंस भी है कि डू नॉट टेस्ट एनीथिंग अनलेस आस्क्ड टू डू सो. किसी भी अननोन चीज़ को कभी भी टेस्ट मत कीजिए जब तक आपको कहा ना जाए. डू नॉट टच एनीथिंग अनलेस यू आर आस्क्ड टू डू सो. राइट? ना आपको किसी चीज़ को टेस्ट करना है, ना आपको किसी चीज़ को टच करना है, किसी अननोन चीज़ को, जब तक कि वेन एवर यू आर नॉट आस्क्ड टू डू सो. Now this is a table 5.1. On the left side there are substances and on the right side there are taste. You have to tell the taste of these substances, whether it is sour, bitter, sweet, salty, whatever the taste you feel, right? So you will do this table by your own. Lemon juice, you have to tell it's sour. Orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, imli, sugar, common salt, amla, baking soda, grapes, unripe mango, and cucumber. You have to find out the taste of these substances. Now, you find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter. आप find out करोगे that कुछ substances हैं वो sweet हैं, कुछ bitter हैं, कुछ sour हैं, some are salty on the basis of their taste. Now, acids and bases. What are acids and what are bases? Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. As you can feel also कि दही, नींबू, orange juice and vinegar इन सभी का taste क्या है? खट्टा, sour. These substance taste sour because they contain acids. ये substance sour है क्यों? Because of a substance which is acids in them. The chemical nature of such substance is acid. और इन acids का chemical nature कैसा होता है? Acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word aceri or you can say aceri, which means sour. एक Latin word है aceri, that means sour. The acids in these substances are natural acids. और इन सभी substances में जो acids हैं, different type के acids हैं, वो सभी acids कैसे हैं? Naturally occurring acids. Now, what about baking soda? Have you ever seen baking soda that is used in kitchen also? Does it also taste sour? क्या ये sour है? Have you ever tasted the baking soda? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, ये खट्टा नहीं है, that means it do not have any kind of acids. So it's a bitter in taste. If you rub this solution between fingers, it feels soapy. अगर आप इसको fingers के बीच में rub करोगे, then you will feel soapy texture. Generally, substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy in touching, are known as bases. वो substances जो which are bitter in taste, जो taste में bitter हैं, कड़वे हैं, and feel soapy, जो साबुन की तरह चिकने, soapy in touch, they are known as bases. And the nature of such substances is said to be basic, right, due to the presence of bases in them. If we cannot taste every substance, how do we find its nature? अभी ऊपर प्रिकॉशंस में भी बताया कि आप सभी substances को ना टेस्ट कर सकते हैं ना टच कर सकते हैं. Then how would we find कि this substance is acid or this substance is bases? Yes, special type of substances are used to taste whether a substance is acidic or basic. कुछ ऐसे अलग तरह के स्पेशल सब्सटेंसेस हैं विच विल हेल्प अस टू फाइंड कि वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक और बेसिक, जो हमें बताएंगे कि क्या ये सब्सटेंस एसिडिक है या ये सब्सटेंस बेसिक है. एंड दी सब्सटेंसेस आर नोन एज इंडिकेटर्स. ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस को क्या कहते हैं? इंडिकेटर्स. These indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. इन indicators को जब किसी एसिडिक या बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डाला जाता है then they will show definitely different colors, right? They will show different colors when they are added to any solution, whether it is acidic or basic. Turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, which is also known as gudhal, are some naturally occurring indicators. ये जो China rose है, turmeric, haldi, litmus, right? These are the naturally occurring indicator, means they are occurring in the nature. Okay. Coming to the next. Okay, here we are having a table on which there is left side name of the acids, on the right side the substances or the food stuff in which these acids are found. Okay, let's take one by one. One is acetic acid, and this acid is found in vinegar, that is sirka also. Formic acid, it's found in an ant sting. Citric acid, it's found in citric fruits, citrus fruits जो खट्टे फल होते हैं such as oranges, lemons, etc. Lactic acid, it's found in curd and milk. Oxalic acid, it's found in spinach. Ascorbic acid, which is also known as vitamin C, the chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid, it's found in amla and citrus fruits. Tartaric acid, it's found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes. There is one more amino acid which is found in proteins. Tannic acid, which is found in tea. Malic acid found in apples, and carbonic acid which is found in carbonated drinks. Also some bases are there, and these all above acids occur in nature naturally, right? And there are some bases also such as calcium hydroxide is found in lime water, जिसको चूने का पानी भी बोलते हैं. Ammonium hydroxide is found in window cleaner, जो chemicals होते हैं window cleaners के. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, this base is found in soap or detergents. Magnesium hydroxide is found in milk of magnesia, and milk of magnesia is a very important chemical agent which is used to reduce the stomach acidity. कई बार whenever there are acidity in the stomach, then milk of magnesia tablets are there which are used to reduce the acidity of stomach. So it's a very important chemical agent also. Now natural indicators around us, we have seen turmeric, China rose petals, right? So first is the litmus, and it's a natural dye also. Now what is litmus? The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. ये लाइकन से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. ये मोस्ट कॉमन नेचुरली अकरिंग इंडिकेटर है. ओके, लाइकन्स. हैव यू लिसन दिस टर्म बिफोर? Recall. Yes, it's chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. In that there was a term that is symbiotic association or symbiosis, in which we have learned that two organisms are living together for the benefits of each other or to fulfill the requirements of each other. In that we have studied lichens, in which lichen is a symbiotic association between what? Algae and fungus, in which what are the different parts doing? Recall just. Yes, fungus was allowing minerals and water, also shelter to the algae, and on the other hand algae was helping the fungus to preparing the food because it's green in color, it has chlorophyll, it can do photosynthesis, right? So lichens are the symbiosis association between algae and fungus. It has a mauve और पर्पल कलर इन डिस्टिल्ड वाटर. जो लाइकन का कलर है डिस्टिल्ड वाटर में वो कैसा है? पर्पल. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red. जब इसको एक एसिडिक सोल्यूशन में ऐड किया जाता है then which color it will give? Red color. And when added to a basic solution, it will turn blue. और जब लिटमस को बेसिक सोल्यूशन में डाला जाता है then it will change the color to blue. And these colors are fixed. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper. अब litmus जो है that is available in the market in the form of solution also as well as strips of paper also, which are known as litmus paper. Generally it is available as red and blue litmus paper. This is the lichen you can see, and these are the red and blue litmus paper. Is it clear? Now revise this, and next part we'll do in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.